y'all, it's your girl Bougie Key, and I'm here with y'all with another video. Thank y'all for liking, commenting, and subscribing. So today I'm about to put these LED lights up on my TV. I'm a little nervous because I think my mount may be a little off, but I'm not trying to pay nobody to do it. But we're not here for the mount. We're here for these LED lights. So I'm about to show y'all how I put these up myself. I had got these on Amazon. I think I paid like $14. These are TV LED backlights, US LED strip. So it has tape that I'm gonna tape it to. They do move with the sound, like the light change, and I can hook it up to my phone to do it. So got a USB port, so we're gonna put this in the USB. Here's the tape, and we're just gonna put it all around or whatever. So we are about to see me do this. I'm a little nervous, y'all, but let's get into it. Ooh, I'm nervous. So it has this USB port that I will put behind my TV. Ooh, it's in. So I think I'm gonna start with going up first and then going around, I think. No, I have not read any kind of directions or anything. So before I tape it, I'm going to take it. Hopefully it's enough LED lights first. So I'll put some there, like that there, and then take this way. Ooh, is it enough, guys? 'Cause I don't know. Let's see. Ooh. Okay, so I'm gonna just start with this side, putting this up, and we just gonna go from there. I'm so nervous, y'all. Alright, let me see how we take this tape off. Alright. Alright. So this is the first one. And then this says it's supposed to go up for a 70-foot TV. So it should be good, guys. Now back here, like right here where my hand is, that's where the USB port is. Now I could have probably did it different ways, but I think I probably would need to get a longer one because these are the designs that I could have chosen, but I don't see it really doing. I think I chose the best one because this one, it was gonna be too, the TV's too big. Cause they say it's supposed to go to an 80-inch. So I think this is probably gonna be the best one. So all I need to do now is just download the app and then link it to the Bluetooth, and then we're gonna get started on getting this set up. All right, y'all, so y'all see I have my lights up and looking all cute and stuff. So what I'm gonna do, I'm about to show y'all how I will do the app. So I go into the app. So say I wanted to play some music. You see how you see that? Say for instance, I wanted to do a style, pulsating in yellow. Then if I wanted to speed it up, I think it just looks so cute. Pulsating purple, slow it down. But yeah, I'm so glad that I got this. Hello, hello. So if I speak into it, hello, hello. Y'all see that? Y'all see that? Do y'all see that? Y'all see that? Y'all see that? But I think that's just so cool that you could talk to the phone. What you say? What you say? But you could talk to the phone and just do whatever you want to do. You want to turn it up a bit. Let me see. To make it a little more electrifying. If I wanted to, you know, just find the color. That blue is so pretty. But yeah, that's all I wanted to show y'all how I just did that simple, quick and easy thing. I'll put the link in the description box for these LED strip lights. So until next time, I'll holler at y'all.